Tony, got a rag? Oh God, no.
Slow on the drop off. Wait. Oh! Slow. Bill!
I don't care, and I'm about to. Never mind. I'm not gonna climb underneath that.
Oh my God!
I'm pretty sure that's a baby weed plant growing in my car.
Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God.
Ciao!
Yeah! Is the car frozen there? Don't break the car! Victor!
Alright, Truck Talk, this is how you test your glow plugs from inside your truck. See? It works.
Go ahead, pull it up.
Okay, I'll leave you.
Ah, shit! Like a million.
There's like 5 million rats in there.
Real women drive their own trucks. Make sense?
Hey bro, how much gas you got?
About a quarter tank.
Hi, welcome in. What are you looking for today?
Oh, just looking for a windshield wiper, but
Whoa,
I don't
whoa,
know
it's
how.
not just a windshield wiper. I need more information from you. What's it coming off of?
It's a Chevy Duramax, but
Okay.
I know where these are at.
Year? You got the year?
It's an 07.
You got a VIN number for this thing?
No, I don't have the VIN number.
Let's make it easy on you. What kind of tires? What size tires you got on this truck, huh?
That has
37s?
nothing to do with the
35s?
wiper blade.
Was that a Hemi? Power stroke?
No,
Oh, nothing. Gas? Diesel? Electric?
it's just a wiper
Hey,
blade.
I'm not finding it. Your maiden name? It's asking for your wife's panty color?
Dude, what the heck? No.
It's just what it's telling me. Email address.
No, I never check my email.
You got a favorite food?
You don't need to know that.
No. Verizon, AT&T. What do
Can
you
I
got?
just...
Looks like there's nothing here.
Really?
Oh, yep, we got some in stock there on aisle 3. Thank you.
More. Curl the bucket. There you go.
Holy
Gotta ruin a $700 snap-on impact. We ain't got no air compressor, we got a water hose.
tipping off fofos. Rip them fofos. Oh my gosh.
half of those. DeVita.
Oh, now it smells like burning now.
What is that, bro? Something's about to blow up.
Would you shut up? I'm recording. What? No, he's not recording this spot.
This way to grease driveline U-joints. Step 1, turn the truck over.
What in the actual hell am I watching? Well, at least he's got his 4-ways on. Regular Mr. Plow. I have no idea what you just said to me. I mean, I understand the words that came out of your mouth.
Yes. I've never done this before, so I don't know. They told me to get this off of this golf sports wagon and bring it to you.
Get what off of what golf sports wagon?
This is the, like, on the tailpipe, the emissions from the exhaust into this bag. And they said to bring it to you.
Alex, screw me.
Somebody's fucking with me?
Pretty sure they are.
Oh my